Hello, people. I'm just trying to assemble this tree. Yeah, it's not an easy thing. I couldn't find a white tree. Yeah, so now I'm having to. I'm going to fall off the chair now. I had to bring out my green tree. As you can see, it's here. Now this one is the old styles of tree, the ones that you have to hang the branches and read. You have to read the paper now. So this video should actually be how to assemble an old tree. So I've currently started. I've done row H and G. I'm now on row F, and you need to put all the stalks into the frame here. I don't know if you can see me. So that's F, and they are all color coded. So this is color F. This is row 3, because I bought this tree for God knows how long. They don't do this style of tree anymore, but they are very solid. The branches are solid because it's made from metal. So once you put each one on each row, I now open each of the branches out. You open the branches in order to get a full tree, because this is all collapsed. Yeah. And my son used to help me do this tree before. He was so good at it. I miss him this year because he's not here to help me. But my husband is sitting down here. He's giving me encouragement, but he's not giving me physical support to do it. We brought it downstairs from the loft yesterday. So now I've put in row 3, so which is number F. So now I have to open up the branches individually till we get to the top. Yeah, I think this is the best way to do it. I hope this video will be good for YouTube as well, so that this is how you assemble your Christmas tree. And please subscribe to that channel. I got so subscribe so I can get to 500 subscribers. Yeah, and once I finish the tree, you'll see the finished product. Yeah, so that's what I'm currently doing, because I couldn't find the white tree I like. So I'm just going to wait till after Christmas, and then I can get a white one on sale. I'm not buying a Christmas tree for £200. I'm sorry. When I have this green one, hopefully by the time I decorate it, it will look as nice as what I wanted. I actually thought it was going to snow, but it's not snowing. That's why I wanted the white tree before. It looks as if the weather is now a bit warmer. But I must say, this tree takes time. You need to be patient with it. It's not the trees where you just pull out of the box, boom, and everything is there. This one, you need patience to open the branches. And you need to do it when your mind is there. It's not a tree you can just rush to do. And that's why I was trying to avoid this tree. But in the long term, so I'm not going to. I even had to get a seat to sit on. You won't be able to see the end product because it's still halfway there. We still have 3 more stages. But at least you can see me decorating it. This is the top. This bit here will go on the top there, like that. So you can see I still have a long way to go. So currently I'm on row 3. I just hope maybe I'm not even supposed to put them as close to each other, because I think I've only got 2 more rows left. Maybe I'm gonna have to put one here, one here. Maybe I've made the bottom too tight, I'm not sure, and I can't really be bothered to remove them. But it's a solid tree, quite solid on the floor. Yeah, so I'm going to end the video because I can't be doing this thing. It's not going to finish while you are there. But at least you can see the tree is coming together, and that's what it's going to look like when it's finished. You're going to go all the way up, open up the top, but you need to open the branches. If you don't, then you're not going to get that the A shape that you would like your tree to be, like that, like a triangle. Otherwise it just looks a bit flat. So the beauty of the tree is all the branches are open, and then you can hang your bubbles, and yeah, that's your Christmas tree. So that's how to assemble the Christmas tree. Post any comments as to your ways of doing your own tree, so I can learn from you. Maybe there's a different way. When I finish this, I will now do another video of how I decorate the tree. So this is how to actually assemble the tree. I didn't start from the beginning, but I'm sure you've learned something today. You need to set it per branch, and it's layered and they are coded. The colors are all coded. You need to pack it, and when you pack the tree at the end of the season, make sure to pack the colors together. And I use these elastic bands to hold them together. So once I open the box, all the colors were together. Otherwise, if it gets too messy, when next you want to assemble your tree, you might get discouraged because everything is scattered all over the place. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So please subscribe for more. There'll be another video of how to decorate the Christmas tree. Yeah. I'll just show you how far I've come. So you can see. You see it's like halfway. So those are 3 layers. Yeah. I'm still going all the way to the top. Let me know what it's looking like. Yeah. You can see. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Subscribe.